Einstein made a mistake, not a small one, a mistake that haunted him until his death. In 1917, he added a fudge factor to his equations, the cosmological constant. He called it his biggest blunder. Turns out he was right and wrong. The universe is accelerating. Dark energy is real. And Einstein's blunder might be the key to everything. Here's what he missed. In the next 14 minutes, you'll see where Einstein went wrong, why his mistake was actually genius, and how one equation changed our understanding of time, space, and reality forever. This isn't about Einstein the legend. This is about Einstein the human, who made errors, who doubted himself, and who gave us the greatest scientific breakthrough of the 20th century, even though he didn't believe it. Let's start with what Einstein got right. Special relativity. 1905. Time and space aren't absolute. They're relative. They depend on how fast you're moving. Move faster, time slows down. Space contracts. Nothing can go faster than light. This broke physics, overturned Newton's laws, made Einstein famous. But he wasn't done. 10 years later, 1915, he published General Relativity. Gravity isn't a force. It's curved space-time. Mass bends space. Objects move along those curves. Earth orbits the sun not because of some invisible pull, but because the sun warps space around it. Earth follows that curve, like a marble rolling on a stretched rubber sheet. This was revolutionary, and it made predictions. Light bends around massive objects. Time runs slower in strong gravity. The universe itself is dynamic. It can expand or contract. But here's where Einstein hesitated. His equations predicted the universe wasn't static. It had to be either expanding or contracting. But in 1917, every astronomer believed the universe was eternal and unchanging. Einstein didn't trust his own math. So he added a fudge factor, the cosmological constant, a repulsive force counteracting gravity, keeping the universe static, balanced, stable. He published it, but he wasn't happy. It felt wrong, like cheating, adding a term just to match what people believed. Then in 1929, Edwin Hubble looked through his telescope and discovered something shocking. Galaxies are moving away from us, all of them. The farther away, the faster they're moving. The universe is expanding. Einstein's original equations were right. He didn't need the cosmological constant. The universe isn't static, it's growing. Einstein called the cosmological constant his biggest blunder. He should have trusted the math. But here's the twist. Decades later, in 1998, astronomers made another discovery. The universe isn't just expanding. It's accelerating, expanding faster and faster. Something is pushing space apart. Some energy filling the void. They called it dark energy. And guess what? Einstein's cosmological constant describes it perfectly. The blunder wasn't a blunder, it was a prediction. 80 years early. Dark energy makes up 68% of the universe. It's the dominant force in reality. And Einstein's fudge factor is the best explanation we have. So was Einstein wrong? Yes and no. Wrong to doubt his equations, wrong to assume the universe was static, but accidentally right about dark energy, right in a way he never imagined. Now let's talk about what this means for you. Right now, as you sit here, time is passing differently for your head than your feet. Your head is farther from Earth's center. Gravity is slightly weaker, so time runs slightly faster. The difference is tiny, billionths of a second, but it's real. Einstein proved this. Time isn't universal, it's personal. Astronauts on the ISS age slower than people on Earth, not by much, milliseconds over months, but measurable. Atomic clocks confirm it. GPS satellites have to account for this. Time runs faster in orbit. If we didn't adjust for relativity, GPS would drift miles off course in days. Every time you use Google Maps, you're using Einstein's equations. Here's the brutal truth. Time isn't what you think it is. It's not a river flowing forward. It's a dimension, like space. You can move through it at different speeds. Gravity slows it down, speed slows it down, and nothing can stop it. Because time is woven into space. Space-time, one fabric. Bend space, you bend time. Move through space, you move through time. Einstein revealed this, and it shattered the illusion of now. There's no universal present moment. What's happening now for you isn't now for someone moving fast or sitting in strong gravity. Simultaneity is relative. Your now is different from an astronaut's now. Different from someone on Jupiter. Different from someone traveling at half-light speed. The universe doesn't have a single timeline. It has infinite timelines. All equally real, all woven together in space-time. This is why faster-than-light travel is impossible. Not just hard, impossible. Because moving faster than light would mean going backward in time. Causality would break. Effects before causes, paradoxes. The universe forbids it. Einstein's equations show why. The speed of light isn't just a speed limit. It's the speed of causality, the speed at which cause and effect propagate, and nothing can break that. Let's recap what we've covered. Einstein's equations predicted a dynamic universe. But he didn't believe it. He added the cosmological constant to keep the universe static. Hubble proved the universe is expanding. Einstein called his constant a blunder. But in 1998, scientists discovered dark energy. The universe is accelerating. Einstein's constant describes it perfectly. Time isn't universal. It's relative. Your head ages faster than your feet. Astronauts age slower. GPS uses relativity. And the speed of light is the speed of causality. Nothing can break it. If Einstein being wrong and right at the same time blew your mind, you're going to love what's next. In video 4, we're exploring why you can never go faster than light, the brutal physics that makes it impossible, and what would happen if you tried. That video drops in 2 days. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And tell me in the comments, what shocked you most? That time runs faster for your head? That Einstein doubted himself? That dark energy is real? Let's discuss. This is Veritas Labs, where truth is tested.